You are standing outside a courtroom. You have a real problem. You need justice. You have smartphones as well. You just open a smartphone, try to search something on legal on your web phone. However, you could not understand anything. Not because you are ignorant, not because you are wrong. You cannot understand because the language is English. Respected teacher, my dear friends, today I'm going to speak on a topic that is not just legal, but it is deeply social. Is technology excluding the non English speakers? We are in the digital era. We proudly say this. More than 800 million users are internet users in India. Still, how many of you understand really the technology? In every walk of life, if at all we wanted to search whatever engines we are using, that all largely are deal into the English languages. Are we really able to comprehend those things? This is the question that I wanted to put forth in front of everybody. Article 21 gives us a right to live and personal liberty. Article 14 guarantees equality before law. Article 39A directs state for equal justice. But can justice be equal? If the citizen cannot understand the language of justice, how it can be equal to anybody? During pandemic COVID-19, courtroom shifted to online hearings. Litigations were made through online. Even now, we can draft our AI with AI tools. We can draft our petitions as well. But are we really able to understand everything, whatever is there? Are we really comprehending what is there? Consider a case: a villager of Maharashtra wanted to check his caste system online. He has a smartphone, he has the internet. However, he is not able to get the idea from his phone because the language is English. I'm not against technology. Technology is great, it is powerful, it is helping us, but only if it includes everybody. Justice is we often say that court is a just temple of justice, but if that temple is not open for everybody, there is no meaning of that temple at all. Every time if technology becomes a barrier, there is no point we can build a ladder onto it and reach to the next level. Before I conclude, I want to leave all with a thought that if technology is transformational, we must sure that all the courtroom hearings should be in a regional languages. Pleadings can be done in a regional language. Consider a case: a woman can understand her legal rights without needing to have a mediator. A judiciary does not require translation. It should be written in a simple language that can be easily comprehensible by everybody. Then only we will understand the real meaning of justice. Justice delayed is injustice. However, justice not understood is also injustice. Thank you.